What is up, YouTube? So before we start, I just want to say I'm really stoked on this video. These are the videos that I enjoy making. It's about a brand that I really love, a brand that I really support, and on top of that, I got to travel, I got to do a little bit more with the editing and do, like, I don't know, for me, this was a lot more fun to create. It took a lot more time, but I really enjoyed making this. Now, the main reason that I decided to do this was because my last FTP video got a lot of support. A lot of you guys were saying, like, no, I still want to see the FTP videos, because I told you guys, with anything that I do, if it doesn't get enough support, then I'm just not going to do it in the future. So if you guys want to see other brands besides Supreme, like FTP, Palace, and other brands that I love, like Stray Rats, Revenge, whatever, if you guys want to see other brands such as those, of course, smash that like button down below, and I'll continue to do them. And if they continue to get enough support, I'll continue to fly to pop-ups like this whenever I get the chance to, so I can actually show you guys the community, because this was really dope. Getting to see a lot of the people that I saw from the previous FTP Fuck pop-up, or meet new people that just got into the brand. So it was just a dope experience overall. But anyways, hopefully you guys liked the video. As you guys can see, this is the bed that I'm staying on because I'm a cheap ass and there's no way I'm paying for a hotel. So this is the bed that my man Chris puts on the floor for me. Real sweet, real cute. Anyways, let's get to the video. I just got to LA and yeah, man, budget rental's already on some fuck shit right now. Anyways, I'm so freaking tired, man. I went out last night.
Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. They be on that rap to pay the bill shit. And I don't feel that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your work, nigga. My actions being louder than my words, nigga. How you so high but still so down to earth, nigga. Niggas wanna do it, we can do it on they turf, nigga. Oh Lord, I'm a rookie and a vet. Shout out to the bitches out here holding down the set. All up in my phone looking at pictures from the other night. She gon' be upset if she keeps scrolling to the left, dog. She gon' see some shit that she don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. They be on that rap to pay the bill shit. And I don't feel that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your work, nigga. My actions being louder than my words, nigga. How you so high but still so down to earth, nigga. Niggas wanna do it, we can do it on they turf, nigga. Oh Lord, I'm a rookie and a vet. Shout out to the bitches out here holding down the set. All up in my phone looking at pictures from the other night. She gon' be upset if she keeps scrolling to the left, dog. She gon' see some shit that she don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up.
Even though I'm tired, I still had a good ass time. Shout out to Toe Jam. Shout out to everyone that performed. My boy Bougie Mane, Gulavelli, and of course Lil Mosey. But yeah, man, it was a good ass night. Anyways, right now I'm actually headed to the FTP line because that's why I'm in LA. FTP Undefeated, you know, I need me some of them FTP Undefeated garms. So let's go to the location that Zach posted to his story and see what that line's talking about. Yo,
like that, that's lit.
we in the spot.
For real,
Yeah, man, Puya just pulled up. Line started. My man right here came through. His mom got me the grub for sure. Anyways, this is everyone that's here right now. Just ate thanks to this lovely group of individuals right here. I also took a nice shit in that pink porta potty. Felt great. It was amazing. You gotta use the mirror and everything, and the hand sanitizer. Ooh, what a vibe. All right, so we just moved from there to here, and I legit passed out for probably like at least like an hour and a half, 2 hours. I was so tired. Yo, shout out to FTP mom number 2 right here. She actually moved her car so I could kind of get space. Like it's barely hanging out, but parking over here is a little bit difficult. It's getting a little more hectic. The line is getting longer. This guy has the hoodie that I want. That hoodie is fire. I'm super jealous of that low-key. And then of course the tee, too fire. Too much fire. I'm bumming right now compared to this guy. What up, baby?
What's up?
You know what I'm saying? Hey.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man? How you doing, bro? 12 just pulled up. You know what I'm saying?
12, dog. We don't really fuck with them and shit, you know? Like, we ain't gonna hear about what they gotta say. It's about what we
last
gotta say,
last time they came to the FTP drop, I was that it was a riot.
Hey, what happened last time, dog? You feel me? Like, that's
Riots, man. Riots. What up, man? How you doing?
You fucking ready? You fucking ready?
I was born ready.
I was hoping you were gonna come out to this
Dude,
shit,
I
boy.
flew out just for this. I
We came from Bakersfield, like 2 hours away. He just hits us up. We going. We just all fucking 5 minutes text.
That's sick, dude. What up, man? How you doing? Hey, yo, nice to see you again, bro. Dude, I don't think I ever sent you. Did I send you the picture? There's one person I didn't send the picture to from last year.
Oh, it was probably you. It was
you. I didn't send you the picture.
Yeah,
I need to look. I think I still have it, low key. I just was like,
how you been?
I've been good, man. I've been good, bro. But yeah, that shit was funny.
Drop that junk shit, bro.
Dude, I know. I got the hoodie. Yo, this line got way longer. When I left, we had like 3 or 4 rows. Yo, what's up, man? It's been too long. All right, guys. The line has almost reached the entrance of this like little encampment. I actually need to go pick up Chris Matante and then get some fucking sleep because I didn't sleep last night. So I'll see you guys in the AM, baby. Oh. My man held me down, you know what I'm saying? Yo, low-key, I was walking up the line, I could hear people say like, oh, is he cut? Is he cut? Is he cut? Like, nah, man, don't worry, I was here, I've been here, you know what I'm saying? But my man held me down while I went and slept in the bed, low-key, you know what I'm saying? Much love, G, appreciate you. Line got way longer, for sure, man. Hella people everywhere standing. All right, YouTube, just kidding. You know, anyways, I just wanted to be really loud. But anyways, guys, we don't know right now. There's a little bit of a commotion as to whether or not they're gonna check the numbers on these wristbands. Hopefully they don't, because I'm numero 69, and in line I'm not 69. If they do numbers, it was just pointless to have this line in the first place. You know, it's like, why even wait? So it's looking like they're not calling numbers. We are moving slowly but surely, and I haven't seen anyone have to walk away. And I know damn well a lot of the people that were up there did not have those numbers. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm gonna film the line, and I'll see you guys afterwards. What up, man? I know it's like I'm talking to you guys, but I'm not. I'm just talking to the camera. It's kind of weird, strange, awkward.
Rolling up another, I ain't counting. Kush on top of kush till I form a fucking mountain. You claim you smoking better, but I doubt it. Still laid back, you can't faze me while I expand my prowess. You doubt it, keep it, I don't need it. Polluted like the air that I'm breathing. You can keep it, I don't need it. To this far, I've been keeping. Give a fuck if they ride, bitch, I ride for myself. Ladies cross from my weed, man, I like my shit fresh. Smoke dope to the death of me, do the same shit if I came back. Gon' hate me if I make it out, while the future always looking like the past. Turn 100 blunts into a pile of ash, then I'll ask for more as I smile and laugh. I've been working harder on kicking back, but I do the first before I did the last. Got my brothers with me burning chains of grass. Bet I chase my drink before I chase a match. We ain't chasing shit unless it's chasing cash. While you chasing bitches, I'ma face the sack.
If you want that, you get cracked in the back from the side. I just sit back and I watch the facade. I feel the heat as it drip from my eye. Blink it one time, now you rise to the sky. Rip off your jaw, then I cut out your tongue. Plug up the sockets and pull out your lungs. I see it's weak, then put it back inside. Breathe in your mouth as I give you some life. If you want that, you get cracked in the back with the rag and the mask. I just sit back and imagine the fire inside growing higher to cover the mud and the blood. All of this love is a drug and I'm burning it up. I cannot find what I need. All I can see is a reason for torture. Devour the devil that lives within me.
Alright guys, so at the time of filming this, I'm actually getting ready to go to LA, but I do have 2 packages that I need to unbox. I feel kind of naked right now without any rings or necklaces. Yeah, let's change that. That's a little bit better. Anyways, as you can see, I'm wearing one of my favorite FTP tees. For those of you guys that do not know, if you do not follow me on Instagram, I actually posted a really sick picture in this tee. I actually had one of my homies who graffiti actually basically do the exact same tag that is around Fredo. To be honest, I really wish I had this tee in black. Oh shit, would you look at that? Dreams really do come true. I finally got this tee that I've been wanting for quite some time. For those of you that don't know, this was a New York exclusive. They did a pop-up, and so you could only get the black ones in New York. So I was like really bummed that I couldn't make it out to New York to actually get this tee myself. I don't want to take too long, but I do have some stuff to show you guys. This is the Rubik's Cube. They really packed this Rubik's Cube up. Like, damn, look at that. Comes all pre-done, which is good because there's no way I'm solving that. This order comes to $188, then we got 2 FTP stickers. I really hope they do FTP shirts in these colors for summer. Oh my god, that would be so fucking gas. Anyways, neither of these denims are my size. I think I have some more in this package as well, so we're gonna crack into it and hopefully, where the fuck is my knife? Hopefully the size 30 black ones are in here. I actually took an L on the size 30 blue ones and they're already reselling for so much, so I'm hoping I can get a good deal on those. The blue ones are so sick. I tried to single cart the black and the blue together because I just couldn't decide which one I wanted. On the plus side, either way, I'll be able to resell the blue and the black ones and then get the blue ones myself regardless. Here we have the size 30 black denim pants. It's like super subtle. You can barely even see that they say FTP low-key. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but they do say FTP oh so subtly. Definitely a sick ass pant. Just to compare how visible they are, here's a close-up of the FTP blue denim, and also you can see that little back badge right there. These things are so fucking sick. I really hope I can get these in a size 30. We got the FTP football. This is for my personal. As you guys know, I have like a billion FTP basketballs, and I also got some Supreme basketballs as well. We got the 3M reflective FTP slides. We also got yet another Rubik's Cube, and then probably my favorite piece from the drop, the sledgehammer. This thing is so fucking funny. This is just like a novelty item that I'm gonna keep forever. This will low-key be like a good thumbnail. Like, I probably won't use that though, because as you guys know, I am going to LA. So let's go back to LA and then show you guys what I picked up from the FTP Undefeated collaboration. If I can get anything, because the drop is on Saturday and I will not be there until Friday, and that's just cutting it a little bit close. I would have liked to wait maybe 2 or 3 days in line, but I just had some business to take care of tonight, so I couldn't leave today, which is Thursday. All this traveling is getting kind of confusing for me, so I apologize if it gets confusing for you guys, the viewers, at all. I didn't really plan on inserting that in, but I didn't want to like drop this and then drop the previous FTP release after this. That'd be kind of weird. And on top of that, I needed to make a video showing you guys that stuff because I actually got a really cool compliment in line. One of the people in line, they were like, yo, I like that you show off other brands besides Supreme. Like, I like when you show off FTP and Palace. And like, that made me feel good because those are the brands that I usually like supporting. I like making those videos a lot more and I get more enjoyment out of it. That being said, if you guys like these videos, the main reason I'm doing this one right now is because you guys smashed the likes on the last one. You guys showed hella love. So if you guys would like to continue to see FTP, Palace, and other streetwear brands besides your Supreme, smash that like button. I will continue to do just that. We have my man Chris Matante behind the camera. I hope that's not your mom.
Yeah, it is.
Fuck! Okay, so anyways, we have the Undefeated FTP hoodie right here. When I first saw this hoodie, I actually thought this was going to be like 3M. It's all gray. It's not 3M, but it's still super filthy. I really like the way the gray pops on the black, honestly, because I was kind of worried low-key when I heard that it wasn't 3M. I was thinking like, oh, it's gonna be like a little dull. But honestly, in person, this thing is popping. Almost like Lil Mama's lip gloss. Anyways, the hoodie is actually really good quality. It is like Undefeated quality hoodie. It's got the little side ripping thing right there that you see on some Supreme hoodies. However, it's still a little bit lighter. Now, retail on that, I believe, was $108. They should drop online, and they will also drop these pants as well. Now, I did get a size small with the pants, and I will let you guys know whether or not you should size up or go shoot a size. Normally, I'm a small in sweatpants. However, that being said, I have not tried these on just yet. I'm going to shoot a little lookbook segment very soon, and I will show you guys exactly how they fit in just a moment. But it has the exact same pattern. They did drop one hoodie that I did not get, which basically says FTP and then UND in all 3M. I got another pair of sweatpants. We did get some tees, of course. That was absolutely mandatory. We got this tee right here. I actually got that in 2 colorways, so I'm gonna open up. Which one do I want to open up?
None.
None? No, I gotta open one up. I gotta open one up for the people. They gotta see what it's like, you know what I'm saying? They gotta see what it's looking like. Anyways, we're gonna open up this one right here. This right here, you got that Oregon Ducks green, says fuck, and then on the back it says fuck again, the population. I probably can't say that word anymore because my Hispanic mother, Chris Matante's mom, just walked in. So there's no cursing allowed. Then you also have this piece right here. This is a piece that you saw in the actual video that they previewed these items on. You have a little key right there. They did end up selling these keys. Well, not the one with the smiley face, but they sold blank keys. And then you have the Undefeated and FTP all lock cut locksmiths. And the reason they had this tee was because the theme was actually, idea behind it was like a, basically breaking into cars. Oh, they also dropped this FTP Undefeated beanie. And it is a loose gauge beanie. You guys always hear me like preach about loose gauge beanies, so definitely that is crucial, essential. We're going to open up this little pack right here and show you guys some of the detailed items. My flashlight fell out, but as you can see, you got the little FTP Undefeated flashlight. You got some tools for hot wiring. You also have the Slim Jim. This right here is what you use to actually get into the car when you lock your keys out and not break into other people's cars, of course. And then you have the FTP Undefeated gloves. You have FTP right there, and then FTP Undefeated. Actually, like, this right here is not printed. If you look closely, it's actually a part of the plastic, so that's super sick. And then getting into the keys, they come in these little FTP Undefeated bags, and if you look at the actual key itself, it says FTP right there, and then of course it has UND before that for Undefeated. Definitely a sick little piece and a nice little collection. They were selling these for like 10 bucks a pop, so I had to get one for the house. Alright guys, so that's everything I picked up. However, I want to show you guys some of the close-up images of this product, so let's get to the lookbook portion of this video.
body, I don't never have to speak. I let my actions do the talking, you just watching on the creep. I can't hate, I do the same, but not from computer screens. Save that for my enemies, on camo hidden in the trees. Not a sound up in the air, not a crackle from a leaf. You might smell me